Shh. I'm like, Ruger.
So what's up? I am doing a couple things today in the kitchen. First being, ooh, okay, that one's a little too rotten. First being dealing with these rotting bananas. So I'm gonna be making banana bread, hopefully with a little more protein than your average banana bread. I'm gonna be trying to make it with the Kodiak Cakes buttermilk pancake mix. So there's 2 grams of fat, 30 carbs, only 3 grams of sugar, and 14 grams of protein. And that's for half a cup. So I'm gonna be using that, my rotting bananas, some walnuts, there we go. And obviously some chocolate chips, because why not? And then I also got some local honey. I think it's from Round Rock. And if I'm being totally honest, I bought it because the packaging is really awesome. And then I'm gonna also be using avocado oil. I was in the oil aisle for like 30 minutes trying to figure out what kind of oil to get. And this is what I decided on. We'll see how it tastes. You know what I really hate though, is when you go to the grocery store, because I was also gonna make ceviche today. I found a picture of it with shrimp and avocado. Oh my God. She's still learning how to walk on the floors. Anyways, so I was gonna make ceviche and with cucumbers, avocado, shrimps, and lime and cilantro. And I get to the store, I find these little baby cucumbers, and they're seriously my favorite. And I don't know if you can tell, but they're like all moldy and disgusting, which is so gross. And I even like looked at them, what I thought really well before I left, but apparently I didn't. So now I have to go back to the store. Thankfully it's just across the street, but it's still annoying because I was gonna eat that while I was making everything else. Kodiak cake mix. We're gonna dump that in there. And then we're gonna put our cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Okay. Cinnamon. I buy my salt in the bulk section of H-E-B. And we've got our salt. Baking soda. The only reason I have this is because we were cleaning some of our Nalgene's the other day. Baking soda. Like a true pro. Look at that. Okay. 2 little eggs. And I'm kind of following a recipe just because I don't know how to bake, but I'm putting in other ingredients. Like, okay. Put our oatmeal. Not oatmeal. Again, the label is just so cute. I had to get it. Okay. We got our honey. And also wanted our oil in now. One of the recipes said to use olive oil, and to me that just sounded really gross in like a sweet banana bread. So here we are using avocado oil. Where is it? Half a cup. Okay. Oil in. Very appetizing so far, yum. Oh God, that looks disgusting. These are seriously so squishy. They're gonna be perfect. Ew, gross. Ew. Ew. Okay, one down. Okay. Bananas. Done. I'm gonna pour in this mixture here. Ooh, that sounded gross. This was all my wet stuff. Okay. And let's just toss in our bananas now. Kind of looks like applesauce. I guess I could have put applesauce in here too. That would have been good. Instead of, what does that replace? Oil? Is that what that does? I don't know. I'm no baker. We're winging it, y'all. I had rotting bananas on the counter. It's the only thing I know what to do with them, other than freeze them and use them later for banana nut bread. Crunch. Okay, and some chocolate chips because I'm not a crazy person. You can't have banana nut bread without chocolate chips, no matter how healthy it is. So here we are. We're just gonna pour this guy in. Is this what bakers do? Oh yeah, much aesthetic. Look at it. It's like a professional baker made it. Okay, going in the oven for, I don't know. I was also making green beans, and the only thing that they really need is bacon, salt, pepper, and the beans, obviously. So this is what we're starting with, okay? We're just gonna crisp up 4 pieces of bacon, and then I'm gonna toss this entire bag of French green beans into the pot, fill it with water, salt and pepper, and it's gonna cook for like 4 hours. It's seriously the easiest, best green beans of your life. Noise in the background is now the air fryer. I got a lot going on today in the kitchen, and I'm really hungry. These pregnancy whatevers, they're not really cravings. I'm just hungry all the time, and hopefully that doesn't get worse as we get further along, because I'm already eating a lot. Not too much. I think I've gained the appropriate amount of weight in this set of time already, but it's still scary seeing that number go up. As somebody who has been trying to either maintain the number on the scale or have it dip a little lower for an extended period of time, who wants to gain weight? Nobody. Unless you're a man and you're bulking or whatever, but lucky you. So yeah, I was gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do for a workout later. Jared is gonna go running this afternoon, so I'm probably gonna go with him. There's a school nearby and he kind of runs around the school. I think 4 laps around the school is a mile, so that's what he uses to kind of judge his distance and his pacing. So I'll go up there with him. I'm not gonna run, but I might take a kettlebell or a dumbbell with me and do a little workout, since I've only worked out twice this week and I need to do something today. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm a baker. Incredible. I think just a little shaky. We're gonna pop that bad boy back in. Okay, that looks so gorgeous. Also still kind of looks wobbly in the middle. I need zero judgment on this banana bread because it did look really pretty. And then now, now it doesn't so much. So no judging because this is the saddest, burntest, crispiest looking banana bread I think I might have ever seen. Y'all be the judge though. So it's not great, I admit. Oh, you really can't tell that bad. Let me see. It's like, it's really sunken. Why is it so sunk in the middle? Why is there this deep crack? I don't know, y'all. Let's see how it tastes. This is gonna be my first taste of my banana nut protein bread. Okay. It's pretty moist down at the bottom, but it's not like it's undercooked, I don't think. It's definitely cooked, but I think what's happening, can y'all see that? I think what's happening is maybe since I used a pancake mix with protein powder in it, it's more pancake consistency, which is fine. All right, I think I like it. Cool. Okay, so I don't know totally what I'm doing yet, but I did bring my 25-pound kettlebell with me. It's the heaviest one I have. I know it's not very heavy. So I think I'm gonna do some kettlebell swings, some overhead carries, maybe some walking lunges, whatever else feels good. But we're gonna start with some kettlebell swings first. Okay, update. I've done 20 kettlebell swings, probably 100 feet, alternating single arm overhead carries. And then, I don't know, probably 10 alternating single arm walking lunges. My heart rate is 160. So that's definitely a new symptom, if you want to call it that, since I've gotten pregnant. So my heart rate gets really high really fast, which is why I don't do any intentional cardio anymore, because I'm getting plenty of it just walking up and down my stairs, rolling over in bed. Also, here's a little body update, belly update. You'll see it kind of, maybe a little bit. It's in there. It might just be hiding right now. Some days I wake up like extra big, and other days I'm like, huh, all right, that's not so bad. But today's a not so bad, which is nice.